This video shows how to replace the internal and heatsink cooling fans on a Coolvert as part of the planned maintenance schedule. Place the drive on a flat surface that will prevent damage and allow easy access to internal parts. Ensure anti-static precautions are always taken. To remove the top housing, push in the 4 tabs and lift the cover slightly. Please note the internal stir fan and control ribbon cable also need to be disconnected from the power board. Disconnect the internal stir fan from the fan connector by pulling it away. To disconnect the control ribbon cable, push the 2 tabs back and pull the cable away from the header. The cover can now be fully lifted away. Using a flathead screwdriver, push back the cable clip to remove the fan cable. To remove the fan, pull back the 2 clips while lifting the fan away from the cover. Replace the internal cooling fan using the parts supplied in the preventive maintenance kit. If your Coolvert has heatsink fans, disconnect the heatsink fan leads and pull them away from the fan connectors. Remove the 2 earth screws using a Torx 20 screwdriver. The torque setting is 1.5 Nm. Remove the EMC screw using a Posi 2 screwdriver. The torque setting is 1.5 Nm. Use a Torx 20 screwdriver to remove the power module top plate screw and lift the top plate away. The torque setting is 2.5 Nm. The power board can now be lifted away from the heatsink and placed on a clean surface. Remove the fan cables from the 2 cable clips. Use a Torx 15 screwdriver to remove the fan screws and remove the fans from the heatsink. The torque setting is 1.5 Nm. Replace the heatsink cooling fans using the parts supplied in the preventive maintenance kit. Rebuild the drive by reverse engineering the previous steps taken. Once any modifications have been completed to the drive, you must ensure the software is updated to the latest version.